I'm a complete novice and I've just bought this crash damaged BMW F80 M3 for a fraction of the price from auction. Here's how. Get into the damage first. Visually, obviously the front bumper's been caved in. There's no grille. I don't even know what that is. And the radiator's broken visually. Obviously it needs a new bumper, and I mean the oil cooler's hanging off and there's a person underneath the car. So it's not the best thing. And then if you come to the top, the slam panel's obviously been pushed back and it's broke. The brackets on the carbon. Did the person come with it? I don't know. Did it? Brother, did you come with the car? You had to pay extra for it. And then if you come round to the back, it's got tape on it because the windows are still open. If you come to the back, I mean, there's your first problem. And then you got a baby seat in here for some reason. And then, well, the boot doesn't close. The boot doesn't close. Oh, it does? Oh, it does? No, it doesn't open. That's it. There you go. The light's broken. I reckon you could repair that. And the rear quarter's also been nicked with that. And the back bumper's knackered. Other than that, it's a perfect car.
What do you think's happened to it? Like, what do you think?
I actually think, if you come here, I did notice the tyres have pretty much no tread on them at all. I mean, here there is, but it's under the legal limit. And I mean, being a high horsepower car, 450 horsepower, it's not going to be an easy car to control, especially in this weather in the rain. I mean, it is right now 1 degree, so we're going to be fixing it in the cold, like he crashed it in the cold. And if you come around here, I think he spun out. And by the looks of it, he's hit a lamppost and that's caved the back in. And then he drove it probably into a ditch. He spun out and he's probably lost control. And then, what do you reckon? He spun it out, innit? There, so I reckon just weld it on. Can't we just do that?
That's a bit.
Instead of paying for a new one, I reckon we just.
That's structural integrity.
Is that metal or is it
It's
carbon?
yeah, nice metal. This is metal.
It's metal, you get welded. This guy does welding.
Yeah, we're getting mine well done, isn't it?
Yeah.
I reckon that'd be better.
Nice
Instead
inside,
of, instead of paying for a new one.
Yeah, it's cheaper. That's what actually.
Yeah. You pay for it.
I'd put a screw in it.
But zip tie on it.
If I can screw it.
Huh? With this car, there's a lot more good than bad. Let me show you around. With it being the competition model, the standard S55 inline 3-litre 6-cylinder engine, it comes with just under 450 horsepower, as opposed to the standard model, which comes with just over 420. And then, obviously, with it being the competition model, you get these special 20-inch alloy wheels, the 666Ms. And then if you come along with me, you've got the white seats. I don't actually know if it's Silverstone 2 seats or if they're opal white. And, well, the airbags are gone off. The steering wheel airbag and the driver's side curtain airbag. And if you come around to the back with me, with the boot lid's had better days, seen better days, and the back bumper and the rear light. And then if you come around this side's perfectly clean, no problems. It's got a flat tyre. I mean, that's about it. And this is where we found a lot more damage than we were possibly expecting. Yeah. So the chassis is bent there and it's a bit broken. So Gonna have a bit of fun trying to repair that. That's on the passenger side, so, and I mean, all of that oil leak. Where's the light? Where's the light? Where's the light at the chair? Get the light on.
Mate, the light's there.
If you look here, the chassis is caved in and it's bent. So
What does that mean?
that means we've got a problem. The car's not straight. I know I mentioned it.
The car is bent as like.
The car's not bent as me, bro.
Okay, alright then, mate.
At the moment, I think we should find this oil leak first. Worry about that afterwards. But if the oil's coming from the block, if the oil leak's coming from the block, then that's a big problem. We're gonna have to change the whole engine.
What does that mean if it's the
If it's
engine?
Yeah, if it's coming from the block, that's your whole engine basically. So you have to replace the whole engine. But
Okay.
if it's coming from one of the oil lines, which I think it is, because I mean the oil cooler is not even attached. To be fair, that oil cooler is intact. And get away with keeping that one. As long as just the oil lines look like they're broken. So
Let's say it is the engine, yeah.
yeah.
Then, bro, this car is basically written off and it's not worth repairing. Or
That's
is it?
why insurance write it off in it.
So is it still worth repairing if the engine needs to replace the engine or not?
For me it is, yeah, because I want M3. So this is where I now had a decision to make. I wanted to know the car ran before I ended up dumping money into it. We're going to try and start it. So what we've done is, we've bridged the power off using the boot, and we managed to get the bonnet open with a bit of persuasion, and now we're going to try and get it started. Well, we want to see it start before we do anything else on it, isn't it? Is it dead again? He's gonna shout, turn it off, innit? And you just shout to me.
I'll shout at you, mate. I'll shout at you.
Ready, lads?
Oh,
Yeah?
start it.
Hey! At least it starts though, isn't it?
That's an aggressive one.
Well, listen. Oh, it's an aggressive one,
Start
yeah?
it again. Start it again.
Come on, boys. Go on, easy, you go up the front.
One second. Let me record it.
Alright, where is it? What do I feel? Where is it?
Record this if you want as well.
Right here, I can see.
Come here.
I can see from here.
Tell when to go.
Yeah, start it.
Oi.
You can shoot that?
Yeah, bro.
Shoot one more. Yeah. I rebuilt my GTL like this.
Yeah, I remember.
I had to put a
When did you rebuild your GTI again?
About 2014.
Yeah. Well, when it was made?
Yeah.
Oh, you built
I was
it?
in the factory, mate. Are you taking the wheel off?
No. Taking the engine out, bro.
Yeah, sorry, nice one.
We'll step outside.
So the engine's gonna fit there, yeah?
Now I'm remapping it.
So, say to the audience how you remap the engine, then teach them how to do it.
So basically what you do is, you take the wheel off, you go into Archliner, you put your finger in the suspension and it remaps your
So
car.
why you suspension, mate? What the wrong with you? What's going on there?
I mean,
Why have I got two flags like someone?
Where's that light?
Now, you're taking the bumper off to find what else is damaged underneath. The one with the door. I can't explain it to you.
Yo, based off just the looks, yeah? Like, can you try and guess what the damage is underneath? If there is any.
I'm expecting some sort of chassis damage. Well, you can see it from the wheel anyway. You can see a bit of chassis damage. We'll see how bad it actually is once you get it out. I can't open these, man. You just stuck. Oh, they're not even going into anything. Hey,
Soft, yeah? Go forward, bro.
slide it forward. Is it? No, that's an 8. What is this? That's a 13. We'll just take off more bolts to get this carbon strut off. Carbon, is this strut? What do you call it?
This is a carbon engine
Carbon-
brace or mount.
carbon brace.
I don't know,
What
brace,
for?
I think.
What for? Why are you taking off?
Because we need to get access to get the slam panel off. And the slam panel we need to get off because it's bent. And the slam panel we need to get off because it's broken. And the front end we need to take off because it's mangled. Oh, my hands are freezing. That's it.
Yeah, I know.
Go on, get my car. Don't dash that. That front end is jammy. Ask me what I'm doing.
What are you doing, mate?
What does it look like I'm fucking doing?
Having a hockey one.
I'm watching two people taking my headlight off. because it's too cold for me to be doing it. My hands are freezing. Let me tell ya, it's 1 degree. 1 degree, mate. T30, yeah?
Nah, that's
What's wrong with it?
What do you mean what's wrong with
the entire
it?
frame, bro.
I can't tell.
Oh, can you get the yellow DRL swap on this, please?
Yeah, nah, bro. I reckon you could remap it, bro. They can
Yeah, just here's the VMAX.
I reckon if you do it through this, cousin, you give it a quick remap. Look at this. Look at this, bro.
So can I buy this headlight, please?
Yeah, you want it? Paint all the lines off to get this front end off. So we got all the bolts out. It was a bit of a mission because the chassis is bent, and where obviously the legs for this front end go into, they're bent. So we had to point.
£500, £500.
Hey, reuse that. What's that radiator? What about this air conditioner?
Oh, this won't come off here.
That's wavy. Bro. You know what he does? It just needs a bit of a clean, little bit of a bit of air compressor. Yeah, look, it doesn't even go back in line.
Yeah, now the AC is coming off.
Nah, that's not real cool.
Where the is that? Here it
This
is.
is AC. So we just managed to get the front end off. Obviously, all these wires, pipes, everything, and we have found some more damage, which is the subframe there. Obviously, it's kind of crumpled, so we have to get a new subframe. And we found the oil leak, thankfully, which was just these oil lines, and obviously, there's not even much left of that radiator, and that radiator, and
What's next?
yeah, we'll take it on tomorrow, and we'll come back to it tomorrow night. Get the parts, get the subframe off, and we get cracking with it. And we need Sully.
We need that.
Real mechanic.
Alright, so back on the next video.
Yeah. So I'll see you tomorrow night.
Say.
Maybe it's a bit warm.